Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about how can you claim the GALA games airdrop for free. So GALA games airdrops, you can get the GALA token for free. So first of all you have to know what is GALA games. So GALA game, there is a many way to get use the GALA game system. That center focus GALA game is well games. How do you know about that? Build the GALA tokens in use and purchase the items. So you have to be using the GALA tokens for purchasing the in-game items or any. You can also sell the GALA tokens in any other exchange or any wallet, so you can get a free USDT for that. How can you participate in the GALA airdrop? So GALA airdrops are two ways to participate in the GALA tokens free airdrops. So first of all, own or operate a node. That's mean you have to be need a system, a laptop, a working laptop to operate or own a node. Gala Game Node help to secure the Gala Game Network as a node operator. You will receive points on the daily distribution, which are the items and Gala tokens which have to be added to your treasure chest. And we are waiting for the minting. That's one of the best way to support the Gala game projects. You can also mint their daily added click chest and awaiting minting over the Gala token. The second way how you can buy from the exchange. So we are not gonna buy these tokens, we just own and operate a node. This is the way here you can join their airdrops and get the Gala token for free. Where's the price pool approximate $150. That's a good amount. So this is not the accurate. You can also get the $150, $160. Sometimes you will only get the $100 for. So this is the video for the Gala airdrops. You can claim. Here's the link given on the Gala website and their airdrops also. So you can directly go on them and claim that for free. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next update about the airdrops. And have a good day. Bye bye.